Welcome to Jimarism TV. This is a little unboxing video. I don't know if you listen very carefully. Okay, listen. If you hear a fucking loud background hiss in the background, that's the huge black box that someone calls my computer. Anyhow, it's huge. It can definitely fit this cooler, no problem. I already measured it. But I've got the stock cooler installed, and guess what? It's fucking loud. So I bought a cooler. It was kind of discount and shit, so I was just like, everyone says this fan is good. This fan, no, not this fan. I heard this fan may be loud. So that's why I bought a nocturnal replacement for that one. Anyways, that's a previous unboxing video. But this cooler is very good, supposed to be very good. It's like very efficient. And I thought that maybe it's at least more silent than the stock cooler because it's fucking loud. Anyways, let's go into it. This is Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO lotion for direct contact heat pipes, continuous direct contact TM, universal mounting. Yes, and it's even supposed to fit my processor. I also checked that, so that's good. Any case, we have some interesting information at the back. I mean, it doesn't really tell much. It tells the measurements and kind of generally how it will look. Aluminium fins for heat pipes. Aluminium is so cool. It's like very conductive and stuff. 9 to 31 decibel, but decibel doesn't tell you too much. It's just, you know, it's a lot about the sound profile, not only the volume. Anyhow, ooh, we got this little, how am I supposed to get through this plastic? I can't have, ouch, fucking hell, that's some sharp paper, ouch. I would like to have longer nails, but I can't, because I don't want to hurt people in sports and training and stuff like that. So you can't have long nails there. Yes. Just take this random pen here. That's this random pen. Just like that. Perfect. Perfect. Now we're going to... Yes, there we go. And let's see here. It's a very complex packing. Damn it. This is children proof. This packaging. Oh, and we have a nice little thing in there. What is this? Christmas. I don't know what this is. I have no clue. Ooh, Hyper 212 EVO user manual. Warranty information. I don't know. Plastic circles, and we have like mounting thing. I don't know what to call this, but it's to strap it to the processor. I guess these are needed. And then something pretty nice with at least this package is that it actually includes cooling paste, which makes this whole thing a lot cheaper because you don't have to buy it separately. And yeah, I mean, this looks pretty sturdy. I don't know what the heck that magnet thing is. A double coated what? I don't know. Let's check the manual before we mount it, but we're not going to mount it today. We're just going to unpack it to kind of get a little overlook over the whole thing, kind of, you know, like that. Yes. Trying to close this thing. We're gonna check the rest of the thing. Oh god. Yes, perfect. Here we go. Ooh, it looks so fresh. We can throw this. Whee! Nice. This looks pretty nice. I love this, you know, package. Damn it, looks really fresh. It's larger than I thought it would be. I mean, I don't know. Yes. And here, what's this? It's like an extra thing for mounting. Oh, it's over the thing, so you can. I don't even know. It's for mounting it, but. Let's check the manual a little bit more carefully before we do anything rash. Okay. Ooh, like it's like heavy. I know aluminum is light, but somehow I kind of expected it to be more heavy. Heavier. These tubes look weird. So I guess there's some kind of fluid inside of here. And they're kind of snapped shut like that. I guess you shouldn't bend these. I don't know what's fluid inside it. I think it's fluid inside it. It should be. We can actually check. I don't know. It feels like something's slightly stuck here, like some paper or whatever. I mean, damn it! It's like they're really thin. They're really thin. They look thicker at the pictures. These. Layers here. Yeah, and we have a little coating there. It goes through like that. Yeah, air just blows straight through it. Please peel off label before use it. So yes, peel this label off before using it. We can. Yes, that's great. So you shouldn't touch this when you remove the label. Indeed. Here we have a little fan cable, 4-pin thing. Goes to your motherboard. I love this. Warranty void if removed. What? Like, serious? Is the warranty void if we remove this little paper thing? God damn it. Really? Or is it the... I don't know. That's weird. I love this don't throw away sticker on the fucking cable. I mean, what, are people stupid? Yes, some people are stupid, but yeah, in any case, looks decent, looks pretty nice actually. And yeah, it looks pretty easy to exchange the fan here, probably. Yeah, let's check into that a little deeper. I guess we can kind of remove this. We're gonna check the manual a little bit more carefully. I mean, maybe I can give this fan a chance. Maybe it's not that loud, but I don't know. I'm just skeptical. Like, this is really thin. This is really thin blade. It's so thin, so thin. Like it, I mean, it's not like aluminium foil, but you can easily bend this if you. I mean, it's, you know, you can see this pattern here. All the steel plates have a little different distance from each other because they're so thin and easy bendable. In any case, yeah, I guess got nothing more to add, so we'll just leave it at that and super absorb. Yeah, anyhow, this is Jimmodism TV signing out. Let's install this. I don't know if we'll do it on main channel or on this channel, but we'll see. Anyhow, Jimmodism signing out.